What's good? What's going on, everybody? The biggest nerd ones coming to you live and in living color here from the great state of Tennessee. From here, and we are here at the Little Debbie Bakery store, guys, because
have you tried cakes and pies?
Little Debbie,
Mighty sweet, wholesome treat.
Little Debbie, la-la-la.
Chocolate snack cakes, oatmeal cream, Swiss cake rolls, banana twins. One after another, there's a Little Debbie treat for everybody. Cello wrap for lasting freshness. 12 to a box for only 49 cents.
They're the yummiest.
guys, because this area, Elias, this is pretty much where Little Debbie is at. Like, the factory is here. Oh my goodness, we're gonna go in here at the Little Debbie Bakery store to figure out all the different little Debbies that we haven't tried before.
Yeah, I used to like Little Debbie's white powder cake dough, like those little white powder donuts or whatever.
Yeah.
And I love Debbie's, so you're gonna buy some things that they don't serve at Floydland.
Yeah.
In Missouri.
In Missouri. Okay, guys, here at the on site of the little bakery store here, they do have this old delivery truck. Look at this. So, antique autos, man. And I think this if it's not the actual delivery truck, it's modeled after the old delivery trucks. Okay, guys, the sign right here says this was the first trailer used to transport our cakes. O.D. and Ruth McKee bought it new in 1953. The 1953 tractor, while not the original, is identical to it. With such a roadworthy combination, Ellsworth McKee and numerous others With such a roadworthy combination, Ellsworth McKee and numerous other drivers hauled many loads of wooden trays filled with layer cakes, orange cakes, angel food cakes, fruit cakes, and large jelly rolls before its retirement about 1970. This trailer also carried many cardboard cases and Little Debbie snack cakes. Oh man, the little obese me. The child obesity in me is coming out, by golly. Look at that. Okay, guys, now let's go into obese mode and go into the McKee and Family Bakery store. Oh man, look at all the Little Debbies. Oh man, oh, this is wonderful. Okay, guys, these were the founders. O.D. McKee, Ruth King McKee. Those were the two founders there. And I got a bunch of old family photos here on the wall. Oh, there's the original portrait of Debbie McKee, and back in 1959. And there's the what we all know of Little Debbie right there on the right. Oh, and they also have a little merchandise aisle of Little Debbie's.
Yeah.
Oh man.
And they have snacks. And they have snacks that they don't save that for the Missouri.
We got the little cardboard cutout of the zebra cakes mascot.
I love those.
Oh man.
I love those zebra cakes.
Yeah. Oh, and here's some of the t-shirts that they do offer here. Oh man. Oh, they got a zebra cake t-shirt, cosmic brownies. Oh, Swiss Rose. Oh, Nutty Buddy. Oh man. Oh, there's the Christmas cakes. Oh, that's what they got, the oatmeal cream pie mascot. Drake. They do sell Drake stuff here. I'm on to.
nothing else is a yodel.
Thanks, Cakes.
Then there's the Nutty Buddies.
And they have little, I mean little cups.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh, bless you, Bubba. And I got the little granola bar mascot back there, looks like. Okay, guys, our next stop here in Collegedale, Tennessee is the Little Debbie Park. It was established in 2023, and we're going to have some fun here at the park. And this is a pretty good sized park, guys. Look at this. There's like sitting areas here, and there's like there's a big, huge like running area, and there's like a little playground, which we're going to investigate closer. And I see over here some like little like statues of some of the cakes and stuff. So we're going to investigate closer on all those.
My dad was kidding with you guys because it's actually called the Little Dubbies park, and we're gonna go explore and check it out.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, what would we do without your sweetness?
Again, we at the park, and they have this little spinning chair.
That's fun.
Which is the kids might like. And we have this little wood thing where you get to pick your head out of these little holes. And I don't know if you can do this or not, but some kids have been coloring on this.
Yeah, looks like it. Okay, what's this over here, Bubba?
Well, it's kind of like an obstacle course. Well, first, we climb up here. This is the little kids area. Yeah, and you touch this bar. Climb up.
And it looks like you can put your feet down here and climb down on these little ropes.
Yeah, that's for what this hole is. But that's a little bit scary, so I'm not going to do that.
Hanging out on the oatmeal cream pie.
So it's all there's this weird block climbing. It's a weird block. I don't think I can do it. I think I can. If I'm at the top, I think. I'm at the top.
Elsie, you still have one more, girl. Oh, Elias won!
Oh gosh.
They got a bench here that looks like a little broken off tree limb. That's kind of fun.
We are going to run up this hill and then one down. Let's go. Let's go.
You left Bubby in the dust up there.
You're brave.
Come on, Bubba!
Why is he not going down? Guys almost made it up.
Boy, oh boy.
Oh, here's the cosmic brownie statue.
Again.
Try to sit right there.
Oh,
And
man.
we have a cosmic brownie.
And Elias is going to review a cosmic brownie
On the cosmic.
on the cosmic brownies.
There you go.
Mmm.
Is that a good? Is that a good cosmic brownie? Yeah, we got the box of cosmic brownies over at the little discount store.
What's it factory? It's
Yeah.
Little Debbie's factory.
Yeah. Oh, the little Debbies, and they all look like someone's taking a bite out of them.
Oh, show me the cosmic brownie.
There he comes. He's zooming.
Did you go?
He's zooming. That was fast, Bubba.
It took me like 5 seconds to get down here.
They even got some Nutty Buddy bars. Well, there's a Nutty Buddy sitting on top of the Nutty Buddies.
And it's almost like a slide.
Okay, guys, that wraps up here in Collegedale. And okay, guys, that again wraps up here in Collegedale. And what did you guys think of the Little Debbie Park and the Little Debbie store?
The Little Debbie store, their little snacks, it actually didn't cost that much. Some of them cost us like 99 cents and $1, which isn't bad, and it didn't cost too much money.
They got a bunch of acorns on the playground here that you can hop on, climb on, all that good stuff. They also have an oatmeal cream pie that you can like sit on, stand on, or whatever you want to do on top up there.
One.
Who won, Bubba?
Oh, a tie. A tie.
And because we spent over $25, huh, mommies?
Uh-huh.
We got a box of little
Devil dogs.
devil dogs for free. Isn't that kind of cool?
But try them out later.
And I for the Little Debbie store in the Little Debbie Park. I like the Debbie store at 8.6. So and the Debbie store at 10 out of 10. But if we combine that together, I'll like it at 10 point. A 10 out of 10. Wow.
Is that how averages work?
Is that how it works? And the park did have a lot of fun stuff, but there is a zip line here that does not work apparently. So I feel like the Little Debbie store is kind of better than the park.
Cool.
But it was
But-
pretty good.
But definitely, if you're in the Chattanooga area, come by the Little Debbie Park. It's great for family fun. Go by the Little Debbie store over there. It's definitely worth it. Definitely worth a try. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and all that good stuff, guys. Thank you.